that's the slogan. This that who's all there. I'm pulling up with an emo chick that's broken. This that college dropout music. Everyday late day, she be too thick. And my friends are all annoying, but we go dumb, yeah, we go stupid. This the 10K on the table just so we can be secluded. And the vodka came diluted. One more line, I'm superhuman. Fuck.